Good morning, class 6, and welcome to our today's lesson. So our lesson today is going to be about the use of either or. So either or, as we have written here, is a pair of conjunctions used together. Now conjunction is just a joining word. So either or can be used to join two or more words or two or more sentences. And either or means that of those two sentences, only one of them is true. For example, if we say that you can either speak Kiswahili or English, that means you can choose to speak in Kiswahili or you can choose to speak in English. You can only take one. So I want us to look at the example that we have written on the chalkboard. The girls can go to the words in bracket we have the show or the museum. So when you are rewriting, you can say that the girls can go to either the show or the museum. As you can see, you only choose the show. If you go to the show, you are not going to the museum. And if you go to the museum, you are not going to the show. Example 2, the pupils should speak in the words in bracket we have English or Kiswahili. So when you rewrite that, you say the pupils should speak in either English or Kiswahili. That means if they choose English, they are not speaking in Kiswahili. And if they choose Kiswahili, they are not speaking in English. And more of that, there is an exercise on page 85. The homework is on page 85, exercise 2, number 3 to 10. You write in biro and then you rewrite in pencil. So, we have talked about the use of either or. And we have said that either or is a pair of conjunction. A pair means two. Like a pair of long trousers because there are two. A pair of socks because there are two. But conjunction is a joining word, a word that is used to join two or more sentences. So either or simply means that only one statement is true. Of the two things, only one of them is true. Like the examples that we have given here, the girls can go to the show or museum. That means if they choose to go to the show, they'll not go to the museum. Or if they go to the museum, they will not go to the show. Only one is true. That is the use of either or. And the second example, pupils should speak in English or Kiswahili. They can choose English or they can choose Kiswahili. So that is about the use of either or. And I've said our homework is going to be on page 85, exercise 2, number 3 to number 10. So you are going to rewrite those sentences using either or.